everyone, I am Fernandez, a third-year student from Amando College. I am here to discuss to you all about essay. Essay is very common to students, especially in writing. So as a topic, let's proceed to that discussion for us to learn more all about essay. So first, what is an essay? An essay is a composition made up of a group of related paragraphs. All of these paragraphs focus on a main point. Altogether, the paragraphs support and develop the main point. The essay is composed of three parts, which are the introduction, the body paragraph, and the conclusion. The introduction, which is the opening remarks and/or the background information. The body paragraph, which is the supporting information, and the conclusion, which is the closing ideas or the final remarks. Let's proceed to the other definitions of these three parts of an essay. What is an introduction? This consists of a single paragraph. Introduction is the opening statements, present the topic, and establish the writer's attitude towards the subject and the audience. The introduction offers the opening remarks on the topic. So in writing introduction, this always captures the reader's attention and tells about the essay's topic. The next one is the body paragraph. The body paragraph provides the development of an essay. This also elaborates on the main point with relevant examples, details, facts, reasons, and incidents. The body paragraph contains two or more paragraphs that develop the main point. In writing the body paragraph, this is always longer than the introduction and the conclusion. This is important because the other details about your topic is written. The last part is the conclusion. Conclusion is no more than one paragraph. Conclusion wraps up the essay with a reminder of the main point and closing remarks. This also brings the essay to a satisfying conclusion and reminds the reader of the ideas covered. So all of the key features of an essay should work together to create unity in writing. That will be all. Thank you.